Oh no, it is 7:30. We are late. David, wake up. We overslept.
What? Overslept?
Yes, we need to hurry.
7:30? Our flight is at 10 to. Okay, let's move. Anna, Peter, wake up. Time to go.
Up! We're leaving for Costa Rica in 2 hours. Wake up now. We must get ready. Come on, sweetie.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We are going to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Jungle and monkeys. I cannot find them.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under your pillow again.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book. I packed my toy car and my hat.
Only that. What about clothes? Oh, right. Clothes, too. Ha.
Maybe he is planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It will be here in 10 minutes.
Wonderful. Thank you, David. Yay, I'm so excited. Me too. 10 minutes. Oh no, I have not brushed my hair yet.
Sarah, relax. It's not a big deal.
But it is. My hair is a mess. You look fine, Mom. Your hair is pretty. Thank you. I must hurry. No time. We are late.
Mom, are you okay?
Almost ready. Do I look okay? Tell me the truth.
Mom, your hair looks like a tornado.
A funny tornado.
You look beautiful, Sarah.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Checklist. Passports?
Check. Tickets check. Snacks check.
Chargers?
Double check. Wait, my monkey toy!
Got it. Let us go before we miss the flight. Come on, buddy.
Okay, Dad.
Good morning. Going to the airport, please. Terminal 3.
Airport, let's go.
Sure thing.
Okay, everyone. Seatbelts on. Yes, seatbelt on.
I am so excited. I have never been on a plane before.
Do planes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones like toy bathrooms.
Oh, traffic. Please move. Cars, please move.
Relax. We have time. The airport is not far.
Are you sure, David?
Yes, I'm sure.
I can't wait. Me too.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, jungles, and lots of animals.
A perfect beach, just for us.
And the jungle full of animals!
And maybe a volcano.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
You? No phone? Impossible.
Okay, maybe one phone just for pictures. And ice cream. We must eat ice cream there.
Yes, phone for pictures and ice cream, yay! Sounds perfect.
You are going to love it there. Costa Rica is amazing. So green and full of life.
That sounds wonderful.
We're so excited.
Wow!
Hey! Just do not forget mosquito spray.
Oh no, David. Did you pack the spray?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I will buy one at the airport. Okay, do not worry.
Okay, but no maybe for the passports, please.
Mom, look, airplanings. I can see them. Yes, Peter, they're landing at the airport. Wow, so big.
That's right.
We're almost there.
Finally, we made it. Here we are. Terminal 3.
Wow, look at all these people. It feels like a big mall.
There. Over there. Gate B. Line for Costa Rica.
Check-in is where we show our tickets.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
It means we give our passports and tickets to the airline, and they give us our boarding passes.
So we get a boarding pass?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you, Mom.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We are flying to San Jose, Costa Rica.
Here you go. 4 passports.
Yes, these 2 big suitcases. This one might be over the limit.
Let us see. 24 kg. That is fine.
Oh, good. I thought it was heavier. And here are your boarding passes. Gate 22. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We're all set. Have a great flight.
Mom, what is a boarding pass?
It is like a ticket to the sky.
Mine says window seat.
That means you can sit by the window and see the clouds.
Oh no, look at this line. Let's stay calm.
Good idea.
It's so long.
Do not worry. It moves fast.
Why do we take off our shoes? For security, they check everything carefully, even shoes.
Look, I am flying already!
I am Super Peter! Peter, come on, hurry up. Come with us. You were lost in your superhero thoughts again, weren't you?
Maybe...
Please remove any metal items, watches, belts, coins.
Okay.
We understand.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Proceed to the scanner.
Thank you.
Oh, right. My earrings, too. Finally, we can sit down.
Coffee time. Definitely. I will get coffee. Kids, what do you want?
A sandwich, please. French fries.
Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
These fries are so good.
Careful. Do not spill them on your shirt.
Too late.
Vacation mode already.
Yes, with fries.
You can have more.
Can I have one?
Of course, here you go.
Mom, what is Costa Rica like?
It is warm, green, and full of nature.
Do they have monkeys there?
Yes, lots of monkeys and colorful birds, too. I just hope we did not forget anything important. Wait, did we pack the sunscreen?
Oh. I think I left it on the kitchen counter.
Oh no, David, we will burn under the tropical sun.
Do not worry. We will buy some after we land.
You always say that.
And it always works out, does it not?
Maybe you are lucky. You know that?
That is because I married your mom.
Oh, David, it's true.
Attention passengers flying to San Jose, Costa Rica. Boarding will begin at gate 22 in 10 minutes.
Oh, that is us. Time to go. Yay, we are going to Costa Rica. Let us run.
Wait, no running. We will get there on time.
Okay.
Good. Let us walk together.
Okay, family. Passports and boarding passes ready?
Check. Check.
All right, Team Costa Rica, let us fly.
You are all set. Enjoy your flight.
Next stop, adventure.
I am so excited.
Me too.
Okay, everyone buckled up, seatbelts on, ready for takeoff. Yes, Mom, ready?
All set.
I can see the wing from here.
Me too. It is so big. Good morning, everyone. Please keep your seatbelts fastened as we prepare for takeoff. Whoa, we are going fast.
Hold on, sweetie. We are lifting off.
Look, the ground is getting smaller. And there we go. Up in the clouds.
They are doing great. I was worried Peter might get scared.
Would you like something to drink? Yes, please. Orange juice for the kids? Coffee for us. Of course. These cookies are so tiny.
I like airplane snacks. Everything is small up here, but fun, right?
Especially when you do not have to cook.
Whoa!
What happened?
What was that?
Whoa! Everything's flying!
Mom, I'm scared.
This is crazy turbulence!
Everyone stay calm. Hold on.
The dinosaur.
It's okay. Breathe.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, everything is fine.
Just a little turbulence, honey. Like driving on a bumpy road.
Oh, I see. Thank you, David. Like a bumpy road?
Exactly.
It feels like a roller coaster.
Exactly. Ha ha ha!
Look, the clouds look like cotton candy.
I want to eat one.
Save that for Costa Rica, buddy. Real candy there.
Listen, the airplane engine hums gently,
Yes, it is very relaxing.
and our children are sleeping.
I can hear their soft snoring.
So peaceful. The girl remains asleep. I am taking a picture.
She looks so peaceful.
Yes, a perfect memory.
Are we landing?
I think so. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing shortly in San Jose. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Oh, got it.
Hear that? We are almost there. I cannot wait to see the monkeys.
We did it.
Yes, we did. I'm so proud.
This is so exciting.
Wow, look at the lights.
We did it! We did not crash!
That is not something you say out loud, Peter.
But yes, we did it.
There it is, the big one. Wow, it is so heavy.
Be careful, Dad.
Good job.
There are so many people waiting. Look, that man has a sign with letters.
Let us see. Davis family.
That is not us.
Wait, what is that one? Emmy Watson.
Oh, no, close. But my name is Sarah, not Emmy.
Hello, are you the Emmy Watson family?
Almost. It is Sarah, not Emmy. But yes, that is us.
He wrote your name wrong, Mom.
That is okay, sweetheart. Now we have a funny story to tell. Feel that air. It is so warm and soft.
It smells like flowers. I hear birds. Are those parrots?
Welcome to Costa Rica, my friends. Hotel Blue Horizon, right?
That is right. Thank you.
Wow, a monkey. Hello there. Ooh, ooh, aha. Eee.
I talked to him with my eyes. He understood.
You talked with your eyes? How?
Peter, what did you say?
That's amazing.
I cannot wait to swim and see the rainforest.
One adventure at a time, you two.
Agreed. After all that flying, I just want a bed.
Me too. I'm so tired. The lobby is so big.
I can't wait to swim.
We made it. We sure did. Costa Rica.
Wow, look at the ocean. It's beautiful. Let's go. The sun is setting. I want to swim.
Our new adventure
Yes, it feels perfect.
together.
First evening on the beach. The sky is pink and orange. Peter, what are you doing?
I am collecting all of them.
Listen to the splashing and my happy laughter and the sound of the waves.
The sunset is beautiful.
Yes, it is very peaceful.
This is perfect.
I agree. Cheers.
My hat!
A monkey has your hat. Oh, Peter, the monkey likes your hat.
That's quite a view.
Give me back my hat. Please. I am begging you.
Got it!
Yes, Peter! Good job!
Wonderful catch, Peter. Yay, Peter!
We are going to love it here.
First day in Costa Rica. An adventure that is just beginning.
If you enjoyed today's story, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.